Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this 4MCAD training course, and the topic for today's lesson will be how to use images. So the idea of this lesson is to explain you and to tell you that we can view images inside a program, and for sure we can also modify those images. So it's very easy to deal with this topic, and to insert an image we just need to come to this insert menu. Then we can go to raster image, choose one image that you have, and we have this big dialog box where we can specify a couple of things, basically the paths, and as we've done for blocks, among other things, the insertion points, scales and rotations. And after, just say OK and give it a point, scale, and you have it here. Okay, so this is our image. When we have this image, this or others, we can make a couple of settings, and among those settings we have three things we can change, and these things are the quality of the image, the frame around the image, and the transparency. You can modify them all going to modify, object, image, and then you have all of these things, the quality, the transparency, and the frame. So you have different things in each one of them. So example, quality, you can choose from high or draft. So draft by default. We will not see a big difference in this particular image, but you have these different settings. Besides these settings that you can change, we have another option inside there, which is the image clip. And the topic of the clipping image, it's used because you may see only a portion of the image. So to work with this command, so just choose the image, then you can make a new one, so I will say yes, and you can make a polygonal or invert the clip or create a rectangular clip. So if you do a rectangle, let me turn this off, if you do a rectangular clip, then we can, I've done it outside, we can see only a part of the image. So for example, like this. Okay, this is the purpose of the clipping image. Besides all of these topics, we have another thing still to deal with the image, and this is the image manager under the insert menu. And this image manager allows you to manage, as the name says, to manage, as other things also, attaching, detaching, unloading, whatever it is. And you can make also some adjustments to the image, for example, brightness, do the apply, and it will make a couple of changes on the image. Okay, brightness, contrast, fading, so we can work a little about this, and the topic also for the transparency that we may put also on the image. So we can deal and change some settings inside this image manager. Besides this, so it's very standard, the work with the image, and there is not much things beside what was explained in this lesson. Anyway, if you have some questions, you know how to reach us, so give us, contact us through email or through a comment on the video, and we will explain you what you need.